Good morning, everyone, and welcome back. My name is Leslie. If you haven't been here before, you've wandered across my little corner of the internet. So, we're going to take kind of a turn away from 3D printing for a minute or a video, however you want to look at it. And we are going to have a look at Happy Mail. I love Happy Mail videos because it means I get new toys to play with. So, the May uh, All Crates set has come in from Spellbinders, so I, of course, want to share it with you. So here we go. Let's get started. We have in this one the press and foil of the month. I'll turn it this way. Sorry, guys. There we go. And the verses are: things are looking up. Glad you're along. Let's see where this goes. And of course, you find that there is the cutouts for them. And we get some glimmer foil aluminum. So that will be beautiful paired with this to help create my husband's Father's Day card. So we got that. Then we have the small die of the month, which is ready to roll and contains 19 dies. And they have the cutest little puppy and kitty in there. Oh my goodness. Now let's keep in mind, guys, trying to prevent that shadow from the window. But at the same time, I need the window light because it's so gloomy outside. So there we go. There's a good look at them. Ah, there we go. That's a little bit better. So it says, let's see where this goes. And I think that's just awesome. You, of course, can leave off the dog or the cat or both if you're not traveling with your pets. Then we have the large die of the month, which is very interesting. We have 28 cutting dies that will create that. Isn't that cool? So we get the can and we get the parrot and all the fruits and the umbrellas and everything you need. And I'm wondering, interesting, no verse in this one this time, but that's okay because there are a lot of verses coming up. So that will be fun. And I wish I could remember her name, but I'm going to look it up and see if I can find it again. One of the ladies did a technique using the top and the bottom of the can and spacing them out correctly to make a complete soda can. So that's interesting. Then we have the Stitch Sunshine cutting die for the stitching die of the month. So there we go. You're going to do all of the rays of the sun. And that is what you're going to end up with. Oh my goodness, come on. Sorry, guys. I've been up since 1:30. It's been a really long night. But there we go. And this one says, thought you could use a smile. And I just love that. Now, where did all these wonderful sayings come from? They came from this one, which is the clear stamp and die of the month. Okay, and there's 14 dies and 14 stamps. Whoops. So that is perfect. May your summer be perfectly chill. Sending a burst of happy. Let's roll party like it's 1776. Couldn't resist sending this. Happy 4th of July. I'll find a happy Canada Day for myself. This calls for a celebration. Thought you could use a smile. Grateful for your service. That's a really good one for us military wives. This felt like a you card. Hello. Let's see where this goes. Hope your summer starts off right and happy to be thinking of you. I love that we get the dies. Then we get poolside, which is our normal embossing folder. There's what you're going to end up with for a design, kind of a cracked tile design. And it is, I can never, yeah, 5.5 by 8.5. I never want to say that it's that big, like, because it just blows my mind still. And then we have the 3D folder, which is Radiant Day. And there is what you're going to get. Isn't that just gorgeous? I just love this one. Same size as the previous one. We have dots of summer for our stencil, and there is 5 of them, which are 4 3/4 by 6. And this is what you get if you layer each and every stencil. You, of course, don't have to. You can just use some simple ones if you want and not do them all at once. And then you get your freebies. And this month's feature to the 4th of July, which for us Canadians, I'm going to switch the hat up. I'm not going to have a need for a 4th of July card. Mine were sent out probably a month ago, 2 weeks, no, 3 weeks to a month ago to be there in time. So, Spellbinders 3D embossing folder Night Sky Celebration is one of the freebies that I got. And as long as they're in stock, that is what everybody will be getting. And that is 4 1/4 by 5.5. And then we have the cutting dies red, white, and balloon. So we have the hat, the flowers, and the banners and the fireworks. So that is awesome. There is 20 pieces to that. And then, last but not least, you also get your Hello Summer Creative Sparks pack, which includes dahlia, wildberry, carrot, terracotta, beeswax, saffron, peridot, rainforest, windy, and cascade. So a beautiful, beautiful palette of colors to use with your 4th of July items or with your traveling items or however you want to use them. And then I also got this, and it's kind of a little sample pack from a company called Tintnut, I believe it said, off of Amazon. I love their little envelope. I just love that. And what it is it's iron-on vinyl. Because, guys, I didn't use my iron-on fast enough because I discovered the great world of sublimation. And so my iron-on is old and it's not sticking properly anymore. So I got kind of a little sample pack of different colors off of Amazon to give it a try. So it says step 1, create your design, mirror your cut. Tape the vinyl on the cutting mat. Okay. Weed it and leave the design on the mat, on the backing. Preheat your garment to 284 for 4 seconds to help take the moisture out. Then you want to heat press for 20 to 25 seconds and then peel off. Now, I am going to heat setting temperature 284 Fahrenheit, 140 Celsius. 22 seconds and firm peel, warm peel. Wait 45 seconds after you press it before you pull it off. So we're going to give that a try. And I'm going to start just ordering iron-on and vinyl as I need it, because I am not getting as many orders for that stuff since I started doing the 3D, the laser, and the sublimation. Okay, just to be honest, straightforward, crafts come and go, and in my world, at least at this time, it seems like vinyl is not the end all and be all anymore. So there is that. So that is our stack of Happy Mail. Our Pink and Main is still incoming, so we're going to wait on that one. I am going to show you one 3D print, and then we're going to sign off for the day. So this heart dragon was done for my granddaughter. I did her the small one, like a small one, and she came back and wanted a big one. So, of course, we can do that. I did it on the snap maker so that, so here's another comparison for you. I'll keep that for a display stand. I've started using them. But the small one was tiny. Okay, it was 4 inches long. And I had to print it on the bamboo. Or no. Yes, on the bamboo, the A1, overnight. This big one printed on the U1, which is the snap maker. Same materials, but bigger, much bigger, in 5.5 hours. So, that gives you yet another comparison to what's going on in the 3D print world. I'll just get rid of this, and I will lay it out for you to see. I like to finish cleaning it up after, but there is the top. And then as she holds it up, it is a rainbow filament, so you're going to see some pinks in it. So hopefully she likes it, because her original pink dragon, the baby one is going to be, apparently, is in a different color because she loved it, but I'm out of it and it's not in stock on Amazon right now. So I picked a rainbow, just so that she could still get that multicolor that she so loves. There's the bottom. It's got much bigger links between them, so I'm hoping that it is stronger for when she's playing with the two of them, so we will see. All right, guys, that is it. I'm going to go make a Father's Day card, make a birthday card, finish cleaning these up, and do some just general cleanup around here, and I'm going to enjoy my weekend. I hope you guys do the same. I hope you get to do something you love, and I will see you in whatever comes next. Bye.